slows down, I'll get some additional units with us and we'll go to TBI.
Go ahead, Martin. What's more?
Anybody else in the call?
No, they don't.
Leave it to your left. Your right. Go ahead. Oh, there you go. Hang on. Turn your body this way. There you go. Now go in. Look your head down. Good. I'll be all right. You're not going to spit, are you?
No.
Look to your left.
I like a boxing match.
Look to your left.
Can I get one match?
Look to your left.
Yeah, that's motherfucker. One match. One free for all. I was talking about shit. Yeah, we're all pussies.
I appreciate it, guys. Good TBI. Thanks, man. See you. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it. Hey, live this stuff on video, isn't it? For him, I don't need it. He's the one that following me around. Thanks, man.
Fancy handshake.
Huh?
My handshake.
You'll get one later. Lean over. Lean over.
I get a dip.
No, lean over, man. Yeah, just sit up. That way I don't hit you with the computer.
Yes, Daniel. That's good. Big fucking bust.
Baker's done this stuff. That's only 10:15 route to OSU for mid-clear. Alright, you've been arrested and you request to submit to a test or test to determine the presence and or concentration of intoxicants in your body. The test will be a blood test. A blood test performed will be done by approved medical personnel under Oklahoma law. Once you complete the state's test, you may have an additional test at your own expense. Provided that sufficient quantity of any specimen obtained shall be available to the state for testing. You are not entitled to consult an attorney prior to making your decision whether or not to submit to the state's test. You may refuse the state's test, but as a consequence, your driver's license will be revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety. If you're 21 years of age or older and the test result is 0.08 or more alcohol concentration, your driver's license will be revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety. If you're under age 21 and the test result is 0.02 or more alcohol concentration, your driver's license will be revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety. If your driver's license is revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety, you may be required to have an ignition interlock installed during and after the revocation. Will you take the state's test?
Just some ID.
Will you take the state's test? Yes or no?
I'll take that shit.
You will?
Yeah, what do you have to lose?
Alright. Let's go get it done.
Waste your time.
What's that?
Waste your time.
What's that? I can't understand.
Let's do it.
Alright, we'll do it.
Who's your partner? He scares me, man.
Who's that?
I'm in cuffs. Already. I love waste the state. You know what?
It's not a waste.
The state is gone to shit. The country is gone to shit. You not see it? Have you seen it?
Saying what?
Republican?
A Republican? What's that matter?
Yeah, buckle up. Goddamn, man. Hey, if you take me to kill me.
What's that?
Are you taking me to kill me?
Taking it, David.
Oh, man. Taking my friends. Hey, you guys like information?
On what?
Are you familiar with the trainer?
Yep. Wait. Stop.
Kill him, man.
Stop.
Are you scared of him?
Huh?
Are you scared of him?
Scared of what?
Rhinos.
No.
I am.
Quit kicking my car, man.
They're gonna kill me. You gonna protect me?
Jail will.
Oh, really?
Yep. Stop kicking my car.
That's fucking paid off, man.
Stop. Baker 706 Tulsa. Tulsa, I'm going to be
Yeah,
stopping here 44, 49 West
You
Avenue.
gonna protect me?
Being back.
You gonna protect me? This ain't protect me. Right.
Give me that foot, man. Give me your feet. Give me your other foot. Give me your other foot. Give me your other foot. Give me your other foot now. Motherfucker, stop. No.